Did you know that one of the most important predictors of college success is having a supportive community? Coastline College offers a program that provides a campus community to support your goals in higher education. The Office of Extended Opportunities Program and Services, also known as E.O.P.S, offers assistance to students who are low income, first in their family to attend college, current or former foster youth, or those who are facing educational challenges. Coastline is community-oriented, and students often choose to enroll with us because they know they will receive personal service and care. Coastline's schedule of classes and registration are accessible online. E.O.P.S students can register for classes before most other students to ensure they find courses that fit into their work and parenting schedules and that are best suited for their educational needs. E.O.P.S students also receive support and regular counseling to ensure their educational goals are achieved. We provide workshops in study skills, transfer requirements, time management, resume writing, self-care, community building, and knowledge dissemination.
The program I love the most is E.O.P.S. They just keep me on track with the class that I'm taking and the class that I had to take. And there's the book voucher that they offer when graduation. They kept me account for walking. So yeah, I'm very happy with the way E.O.P.S is set up and the people that work for E.O.P.S. They're very helpful and I really love that.
It's Claudia over at E.O.P.S. Anything I've ever needed, all I had to do was call and she got it figured out. So I'm just grateful for that. I do recommend Coastline because the resources and opportunities here are unlimited, unmatched.
To further assist E.O.P.S students, financial grants and funds for purchasing textbooks are available. We also provide students with classroom supplies and loan-out calculators. E.O.P.S even pays for your cap and gown when you graduate. Applying for E.O.P.S is easy. Simply visit Coastline.edu/EOPS and complete the online application. We are here for you.